Something extraordinary happened today. We had more than 300 employees come out and participate with our nonprofit partners from the American Red Cross and the Second Harvest Food Bank to pack care packages for those in need. The activity and the work you see going on behind us, these care packages that include food, emergency blankets, flashlights, those items that people need most in a time of crisis and need, they're going to be distributed immediately to our customers and our communities.
Part of why this event is so special to Duke Energy and our foundation is that these are the partners we worked hand in glove with in disaster response to Hurricane Helene. The Duke Energy Foundation plays a really tremendous role when a storm hits our communities, and these are a lot of the groups that are on the front lines with us and ensuring that good things happen for customers.
Something also really exciting happened. We set a Guinness World Record for the number of people simultaneously packing preparedness kits all at the same time. But today's not about records. It's really about showing the power of our Duke Energy employees, our people, and our partnerships in our communities. Because when those two things come together, really impactful things happen for our customers and our communities. And so we're just thrilled to be part of it today.